Health Talk, brought to you by Rapides Regional Medical Center. It's proving to be a small world after all concerning the recent outbreak of measles at Disneyland in California. Measles is incredibly infectious for people who have not been vaccinated, and the incubation period can be as long as 3 weeks.
The measles is a viral infection that was a very common childhood illness causing severe disease. We've kind of forgotten about it because of our vaccination, but it is in the news now. 3 phases of the disease with a lot of runny nose, and then fever, and then what we call the prodromal period, and then followed by the rash, high fever, very sick children. The key to measles is they get very ill with very high fever, and the rash is present when they're ill.
A vaccine for the measles became available in 1963. In the decade before then, nearly all children got the measles by the time they were 15, according to the Centers for Disease Control. By 2000, measles was declared eliminated from the U.S. due to a highly effective vaccination program and better measles control in the Americas region.
I do think there are philosophical reasons why parents don't want to vaccinate, but certainly there would be no medical reasons. There's no doubt that the vaccination program since it started in the United States has been a medical miracle of getting rid of these childhood diseases that can result in death, including measles. Louisiana really is pretty well vaccinated. I think our state has done a very good job of that.
In Louisiana, it's the law that children age 4 or older who are entering kindergarten, pre-kindergarten, or Head Start programs have proof they have received vaccinations, including the MMR vaccine for measles, mumps, and rubella. Children in daycare also need to be up to date with their age-appropriate immunizations.
This happens periodically where certain diseases kind of come back that have not been eradicated from the world. We feel like smallpox has been. We're working on polio. Measles was very close to being eradicated the same way that smallpox was because they're similar viruses. But with the things that are happening with parents refusing their vaccines, the herd immunity is running out. So there will be pockets of disease. So please vaccinate your children. The vaccines are safe. They've never been safer. And this is a way that you can protect your child beyond a shadow of a doubt.
For more information on vaccinations, visit rapidesregional.com, or to find a pediatrician, call 769-4440.